Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for yet another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe and don't forget to like and share this video. So today I'm going to be doing my updated slick back bun routine. This is my everyday go-to style. It's really quick and simple, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. I'll unwrap my hair out of the towel, and y'all let me know if y'all want a separate video of hair products that I use to promote hair growth, because my hair has grown tremendously over the last few years. So let me know if y'all want a separate video in the comment section of the products that I use and the vitamins I take to promote hair growth. Next, I'll be using the Miel Organics leave-in conditioner. Y'all, at this point, I was like, wait a minute, I think I done used it all, because it's really just that good. You're going to make sure you saturate your hair as much as possible. It is a leave-in conditioner, so it's not going to make your hair feel really weighed down with product. I love it. It is a 9 out of 10. The only thing is that spray bottle is convenient, but also if your hands are really oily, it can be a hinder. And then we're just going to massage that in really good. Make sure it is from the root to the end of your hair. Next, we're going to take a wide tooth detangling comb and go through our hair and make sure we detangle. Y'all, I'm not combing my hair hard. I'm not detangling hard. I'm just moving fast. And if you see me frown my face up, I'm tender-headed. My tender-headed girl is if you know, you know. If you know, you know. So after that, we're going to go in with our Kiss detangling brush. Y'all, this is a really good dupe for a Denman brush. So if you don't have a Denman brush, don't worry. Go to your local beauty supply store and get you a Kiss brush. So here you'll see me parting my hair down the middle as straight and as centered as possible. After parting my hair, I like to go in with a few kaleidoscopes, hair growth oil drops, and make sure I saturate my scalp, especially the part, and I just kind of go in and poke it a few areas, make sure it gets a lot of oil. I like to massage that in really good. Y'all, this was really helpful. The next thing I'm going to use is my Miel Organics Rice Water Shine Mist. The Rice Water Shine Mist, really the rice water line in all, is just 10 out of 10. I love it. But go in with some of this and it'll add a very beautiful luster to your hair. Next, I'm going to go in with the Miel Organics. This is the Curling Frizz Free Gel. Well, it's not a gel, it's a cream. But it does really good with keeping the frizzies and the flyaways down. I love using this. It smells wonderful. It's really lightweight, but it gets the job done. And after that, we're just going to go back and detangle with that wide tooth comb. And at this point, your hair may be a little bit dry from the air. That is completely fine. We don't need your hair to be really saturated, because this beauty is going to be the star of the show. I love my Extreme Gel. This is my favorite go-to gel to do my slick downs. This gel is not drying to my hair. It doesn't make it feel hard and crunchy. I can use this in a liberal amount, as you see me do here. I love to saturate my hair, and it just makes it so beautiful and wavy. And it doesn't dry it out and make it look dull. It actually adds shine to it. I love my Extreme Gel. So ladies, if you're a person who loves those slick down, ready to go hairstyles, please make sure you try to find that Extreme Gel. It works really well. Next, you're going to see me go back in with my Kiss brush and just smooth out anything that I may have forgotten or may have gotten unsleek from me massaging product in. And y'all, this is a key step, because it also helps add that extra wave, as you can see in the top of my hair that's forming. It also brings that wave and that curl pattern back once you go through your hair with that brush with a little product on there. So don't forget to go back in, detangle for that one last time before you get ready to put her back in a pony. Now, I like to use a bristle brush for my edges and the perimeter on the back of my neck. That helps me get a really sleek finish on the sides and in the back, and tuck all that hair in. So when I pull it up, it's not anything, too flying away too much or looking really frizzy. It's almost like a big edge brush, in my opinion. I love these brushes. I've been using these for forever, and they have never failed me yet. Here, I'm just preparing to put it in the ponytail holder. So watch as I make sure everything is all laid down and ready to go. Okay, so we're almost done. We are tucking it in that last wraparound of that ponytail holder. If your arm's not burning, you're not doing it right. Because baby, my arms were on fire. But look at that. So next we're gonna go in with our Kaleidoscope Edge Gel, or Edge Control. Y'all, now I like to pull out a few pieces on the side to do like cute little comb twists, which y'all will see me do in just a second. That's my favorite little, you know, sprinkle of razzle dazzle on my slick back bun. You can, this is optional, you can do this, you can not do this, but to me it adds a cute little girly touch to it. I just love doing this. Like it has me in a chokehold right now. So in order to do this, you're gonna take a rat tail comb and take the end bristles, swipe forward, and then just twist down really slowly, making sure you don't tangle your hair. But if you get the proper comb, you will not tangle and you'll come out with a curl like that. And then you're just gonna do the same thing on the adjacent side. Again, comb your hair, make sure there's no tangles in it. Twist forward with those end bristles and then twist downward. After we're finished with that, I like to pull out a few of my little baby hairs to prepare for my Kaleidoscope Edge Control. I don't pull out much and I don't make baby hairs. I actually do have baby hairs. Y'all please don't make baby hairs. Don't do too much. But we're gonna add our edge control on, and y'all, at first I saw that white cast and I was like, I don't know if I should continue using this, but we just gonna see how this play out. At this point, we got to see it through. So I take my little comb and I smooth it back as best as possible, but I think the shelf life of this product kind of is interfering with the performance of it, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of my normal edge control on top of it. And we're probably gonna grab a new can of Kaleidoscope Edge Control because I do want to see how it works for my hair. I just think the shelf life of the one that I had has kind of affected the performance. So we're just gonna continue to make sure we smooth our edges down because we are almost to the finish line, y'all. So do your edges to your liking. I do them to mine. I don't like many edges depending on the hairstyle or how I'm feeling that day. And I'm just gonna go in with some more shine mist because this is my last step, and that last little pop of moisture and shine. And look at those waves, y'all. And we are done. So this is my quick and easy slick back bun. This is my daily go-to hairstyle. Really simple. If you get out the shower and you want to do something cute on your hair but you don't have time, this is your friend. So y'all, thank you for watching and tuning in. I will post more videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.